Hello, my name is Patrick Jameson, and today we're going to install a WinGuard vinyl 2-panel 2-track sliding glass door. And in this video, I'm going to unpackage the components for this door and show you some of the tools that you're going to need to complete this installation. Here are the 2 panels that we're going to be using for the WinGuard vinyl sliding glass door today. Here is our sliding glass door mainframe with the handles, the parts, the pieces, and the assembly guide inside this box. And finally, here are some of the basic tools that you're going to need for this install today. One of the first tools that we're going to be using is our 25-foot tape measure, our different size levels, our glass cups, our screw guns, our impact screw gun, and our standard screw gun. We have our laser level, we have our rubber mallet, we have our different size screwdrivers, and the appropriate sealant. Okay, now it's time for the unpackaging. Here's our vinyl sliding glass door assembly instructions with the bag of all the assembly screws, pieces, parts, our handles, and our keepers. We have our sliding glass door mainframe header, the track, our left and right jambs, our mid-sill rise cover, our track inserts, outer track cover, sill riser adapter, fastener covers, and our tracks for the box screen. So to recap, in this video, we unpackaged the door, and I showed you some of the tools that you're going to need for this installation. In the next video, we're going to assemble the mainframe.